Welcome back to our channel, DIY enthusiasts and tool aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools with our countdown of 10 amazing power tools that are truly next level. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, these tools are designed to make your projects easier, faster, and more efficient. Let's get started. Number 1. The Dremel 8245 12-volt cordless rotary toolkit is a versatile and powerful tool ideal for a range of applications. Its 12-volt 2Ah lithium-ion battery delivers high performance and extended runtime, with speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. The ergonomic design with a 360-degree grip zone ensures comfort and control during extended use. It excels in cutting, sanding, grinding, and sharpening, compatible with all Dremel accessories. The patented Easy Twist nose cap allows quick accessory changes without a wrench. Advanced battery technology ensures maximum runtime, and an LED indicator shows remaining battery life. Ventilation openings provide smooth, quiet operation. Included are a battery pack, charger, 5 accessories, a wrench, and a tool fabric carry bag. This tool is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, offering exceptional performance and convenience for various projects. Number 2. The BLACK+DECKER 4-volt max electric screwdriver is a compact and efficient tool, perfect for various tasks around the house. Powered by a 4-volt max lithium-ion battery, it holds a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's ready when you need it. The screwdriver includes 8 bits, stored conveniently in the Rotobit rotating bit cartridge for easy accessibility. With a speed of 180 RPM, it handles most household jobs with ease. The built-in LED light illuminates your work surface, improving visibility in low-light conditions. An onboard magnet holds extra screws, keeping your hands free for more precise work. This rechargeable, cordless screwdriver combines convenience and functionality, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Whether assembling furniture, tightening loose screws, or completing DIY projects, the BLACK+DECKER 4-volt max electric screwdriver offers reliability and ease of use. Number 3. The Makita XRJ04Z 18-volt LXD lithium-ion cordless recipro saw is a powerful and versatile tool designed for demanding cutting tasks. Powered by an 18-volt LXD lithium-ion battery, it delivers consistent performance and extended runtime. The saw features a variable speed motor that provides 0 to 2, 800 strokes per minute, and a 1¼ inch stroke length, making it capable of fast and efficient cutting through wood, metal, and more. Its tool-less blade change system allows for quick and easy blade replacements, saving time on the job. The ergonomic design includes a rubberized soft grip handle, ensuring comfort and reduced fatigue during extended use. The saw's compact and lightweight design enhances maneuverability and ease of use in tight spaces. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Makita XRJ04Z 18-volt LXD cordless recipro saw offers reliability, power, and convenience for a wide range of cutting applications. Number 4. The COMWARE 20-volt cordless drill is a versatile and powerful tool, perfect for various drilling and driving tasks. It features a 20-volt battery and comes with a charger for convenient recharging. The drill has a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, allowing for quick and easy bit changes without the need for extra tools. With 2 variable speed settings, it offers precision and control for different applications. The drill delivers a maximum torque of 266 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Its 25+1 position clutch provides accurate control to prevent overdriving screws and damaging materials. The set includes 34 pieces of drill and driver bits, catering to a wide range of drilling and fastening needs. This comprehensive kit ensures you have the right bit for any job. Compact and lightweight, the COMWARE 20-volt cordless drill is designed for comfort and ease of use, making it an excellent addition to any toolkit. Number 5. The GLORIA 1¼ inch SDS-Plus 13-amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill is a robust tool designed for demanding drilling and chiseling tasks. With a powerful 13-amp motor, it delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. The tool features 4 functions: drilling, hammer drilling, chipping, and chiseling, providing versatility for various applications. Equipped with a safety clutch, The rotary hammer drill ensures user protection by preventing sudden torque reactions in case of bit jamming. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments to match the specific material and task at hand. This heavy-duty rotary hammer drill includes a set of chisels and drill bits, making it ready for immediate use. Its ergonomic design, combined with a soft grip handle, ensures comfort and reduced fatigue during extended operation. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The GLORIA 1.25-inch SDS-Plus 13-amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill offers reliability, power, and versatility for tough jobs. Number 6. The GALAX Pro 280-watt 13,000 OPM orbital sander is a powerful and efficient tool for sanding and polishing tasks. With a robust 280-watt motor, it delivers a maximum of 13,000 orbits per minute, ensuring smooth and effective material removal. The sander features 6 variable speed settings, allowing precise control to match the speed to the application for optimal results. This 5-inch electric sander comes with 15 sanding discs, providing a variety of grit options for different sanding needs. The integrated dust collector ensures a cleaner work environment by capturing dust and debris, promoting better visibility and a healthier workspace. Its ergonomic design includes a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. The compact and lightweight build enhances maneuverability, making it easy to handle and control. Ideal for both professional and DIY projects, the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander is perfect for sanding, smoothing, and polishing surfaces with ease and precision. Number 7. The Metabo HBD 7.25-inch circular saw kit is a powerful and efficient tool designed for precise cutting. It features a robust 15-amp motor that delivers a high speed of 6,000 RPM, ensuring fast and smooth cuts through various materials. The saw includes a 24-tooth premium framing and ripping blade, ideal for clean and efficient cuts in wood and other materials. An integrated dust blower helps keep the cutting line clear of debris, improving visibility and accuracy. For added convenience, the circular saw has a single-handed bevel adjustment, allowing quick and easy changes to the bevel angle for angled cuts. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort and control, making it suitable for both professional and DIY projects. The Metabo HBD circular saw kit is a reliable choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, user-friendly saw for framing, ripping, and general cutting tasks. Number 8. The Propax 1,200 Nm cordless impact wrench is a high-performance tool designed for heavy-duty tasks. It features a powerful 21-volt motor that delivers an impressive 1,200 Nm of torque, making it suitable for a range of applications including automotive work, truck maintenance, RV repairs, and mower servicing. This impact wrench is equipped with a 1/2-inch drive and a brushless motor, which ensures greater efficiency and durability compared to brushed motors. The tool includes a 4.0Ah battery that provides extended runtime and consistent power throughout your tasks. With variable speed settings, you can adjust the impact wrench's performance to match the specific requirements of your project. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, while the cordless feature provides flexibility and freedom of movement. The Propax 1,200 Nm cordless impact wrench is an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable, high-torque impact driver for demanding jobs. Number 9. The CZI Cordless Angle Grinder Kit is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision cutting, grinding, and polishing. It features a brushless motor that delivers a high speed of up to 10,000 RPM, ensuring efficient performance for various metalworking tasks. The kit includes two 4.0Ah batteries, providing extended runtime and reliable power for prolonged use. The angle grinder is equipped with a 4.5-inch cutting wheel, flap wheel, and wool carving wheel, making it suitable for a range of applications, from cutting and grinding to polishing and finishing. Its cordless design offers flexibility and freedom of movement, while the brushless motor enhances durability and efficiency. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. The CZI Cordless Angle Grinder Kit is an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seeking a high-performance tool for precision work. Number 10. The Works Nitro 20-volt 18-gauge cordless brad nailer is a versatile and powerful tool designed for efficient nailing tasks. Utilizing nail force air impact technology, It securely drives brad nails up to 2 inches into hardwood, making it ideal for fastening panel molding, window trim, small baseboards, and more. This cordless nail gun is powered by the same 20-volt power share batteries used across over 140 works tools, outdoor equipment, and lifestyle products, offering expandable power and convenience. It features rapid firing capabilities, driving up to 80 nails per minute to complete jobs quickly and efficiently. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation without the hassles of hoses, compressors, or gas cartridges. The nailer includes a tool-free jam release for easy clearing of stuck nails and an anti-ejection design for improved safety. Reloading is streamlined with a quick-load magazine and a low nail indicator, while the dry fire lockout prevents firing when the magazine is empty. The Works Nitro 20-volt cordless brad nailer combines innovative technology with user-friendly features for reliable and effective performance.